Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the back mirror is already done, you already know. And then for this style, guys, you have to make sure your hair is very, very damp. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Hydration Honey Health and Repair Style Cream. You guys, this stuff is actually legit. So once I finish putting it through my hair, just making sure it's very thoroughly like saturated, because you want to make sure every strand gets the product. And then I'm going to go in with my brush and detangle the hair, because the hair has to be very detangled for finger coils. Otherwise, the coil is not going to come out right. So make sure your hair is very detangled. And for the finger coils, very, very important, you guys. Make sure when you're twirling it, you twirl it from root to tip. So keep twirling until you feel that the roots of your hair also are coiled up. Because what can happen is that you have like halfway through coiled and your roots are going to be like extra puffy. We do not want that. Do not. And also, this is very time consuming, but it's worth it, because I've had my hair in for about, I want to say, 3 days now, and it still looks the same. Um, Another thing, also, you don't have to do it as small as I did mine. I did mine this small because I'm also using it as a protective style, because I'm gonna keep it in for like an entire week. But yeah, as you can see, like your girl was tired. Okay, I was tired of this. But you can actually do this bigger, like bigger sections than I did. I just like them a little bit smaller. And also, as you're going through the section, see how like my section is that thick? As you're going through the section, keep detangling it, because you want to make sure your hair is detangled, because you cannot have any knots, no knots at all for finger coils. None. And another thing also that I noticed with this product is that it dried up really quickly. Look at how that side that I already finished is basically like almost dried. So make sure when using your product, you use a product that's not too heavy, because it's gonna weigh your hair down and your coil is gonna be all thick and lumpy. No bueno. So once I finished with all my coils, I basically was just playing around with the hair to see what way I wanted it to go, because it kept dropping to the front and I wanted it more like a side thing. So when you finish with your coils, play with it to get it to the certain side that you want it to be it middle part, side part, however you want, because this is a really flexible hairstyle. You could literally do whatever you want with it. So I'm just going to let it dry. And this is the next day when my hair is all dried. And y'all, look at this. Do y'all see this? Like, come on. Come through. Urban Hydration. One product, you guys. You do not even need a whole bunch of stuff. Okay? Just quick, simple, easy. And that's basically it, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video.